Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet table cover designs, different color designs, ideas, style and most attractive patterns you can see in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Most trendy collection you can see, beautiful and trendy colorful collection you can see. So dear friends, try this collection. You can ready this very beautiful and most easy collection at home if you want and if you know crochet work. So dear friends, try this collection. So dear friends, please like my videos, share my videos with your friends, relatives, and they also enjoy this video. So dear friends, most attractive and amazing stylish collection. You can also contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers. You can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet table designs and other crochet material like crochet bedsheet cover designs, cushion cover designs, sofa cover designs, crochet curtain designs and other things, crochet baby material like crochet baby frog designs, sandal designs, romper designs and crochet woman material like long dresses, short dresses, fingerless gloves, crochet woman poncho designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs and other things also. So dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.